Dual function. On or flash mode, visible over 1 mile. No wiring necessary, requires AA batteries not included. Non-scratch, heavy-duty magnetic base for secure mount. Do not drive on highway without this unit being permanently mounted. Rubber gasket sealed and water-resistant. The Blazer C6350 LED red magnetic emergency light is a versatile, multifunction safety and hazard light. The battery-powered light allows the user to easily move the light between applications. The emergency light features 18 LEDs and has dual flash modes, constant on and flashing. The non-scratch, heavy-duty magnetic base mounts to any metal surface. Its compact design allows for quick and easy storage. Applications include road repair safety, emergency and warning, automotive, farm equipment and construction. Top reviews from the United States. Super bright. Can't really comment on battery life, but the magnets are damn strong and the light is stupid bright.